Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve practice problem 15.7 from Studyku book. So the question is obtain the initial and the final values of GS. Okay, so now we have our initial values. Initial values. And I will recall the formula first, which is the G0 is equal to limit of s going to infinity of s multiplied by gs. So this is the formula for initial values. And we just need to substitute gs from here. Okay, now let's do that. So we will have limit s to the infinity. And then we will have s, and on the numerator we will have 6s to the third power plus 2s, and then plus 5, and then divided by s, and then s plus 2 squared, and then s plus 3. Okay, we can cancel out this s here, and then what else can we do? We can distribute this and this. We can multiply all the denominator. So limit s is going to infinity. This one will be 6s to the third power plus 2s, and then plus 5 divided by s squared plus 4s plus 4, and then we will have s plus 3. Okay, and now we will have limit s is approaching infinity of 6s to the third power plus 2s, and then plus 5. And then we can divide it by this is multiplied, so we will have s to the third power plus 4s squared, and then plus 12. No. So for plus 4s, I think. Plus 4s, and then this one here, we will have 3s squared, and then plus 12s, and then plus 12. Okay, maybe let's simplify the denominator. So we'll have limit s is going to infinity. We will have 6s to the third power plus 2s plus 5, and then divided by s to the third power plus 7s squared, and then plus 16s, and then plus 12. Okay, now we can divide both numerator and denominator by s to the third power. We will have limit s is going to infinity, and we will have 6, and then plus s divided by s to the third power. We will have 2 over s squared, and then plus 5 over s to the third power, and then divided by, we will have 1 here, and then plus, this one will be 7 over s, and then this one will be 16 over s squared, and then plus 12 over s squared. Okay, when s is approaching infinity, the other term other than 6 and 1 will approach 0. So we will have, this one will be 6 plus 0 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So we will have 6 divided by 1. So we'll have 6 over 1, which is 6. So for the initial values, we have the answer as 6 here. And that is the same as here in the problem. Okay, maybe let's move on and let's find out the final values. Okay, now let's calculate the final values. Final values. What is final values? We can calculate it by g to the infinity, which is limit s is going to 0 of SGS. Okay, we already calculate SGS from previous calculation, right? So the SGS will be this one from here. Okay, maybe let's copy this out because it will be useful for our problem here. Okay, and this is exactly the same thing except for the limit here that is not approaching infinity but approaching 0. So I think we can just plug that in. So we will have 6 multiplied by 0 to the third power plus 2 multiplied by 0 plus 5. And then we will have 0 to the third power plus 7 multiplied by 0 squared plus 16 multiplied by 0 and then plus 12. And we will have 5 divided by 12. Maybe let's convert that to decimal. We will have 5 divided by 12. 5 over 12. That's not useful. Okay, so we need to convert that into decimal. So I will have 0.416. Okay, which is equal to 0.41666, right? Or 67 maybe. So which is exactly the same here. Maybe let's highlight this, and this is the answer given by the problem. And I think that's all. So the initial value is 6, but then the final values is this one, 0.4167. Okay, I need to make this video 8 minutes long, so I just keep this in silent for 30 seconds. And maybe see you in the next video. Bye bye.